Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today we come up with another video of this orange splash effect. So if you want to create this, then keep watching our video. Also guys, at the end of the video we are going to show you one more such example. So to know about that, keep watching our video till the end. Okay guys, so now without any further ado, let's begin. So guys, as usual, first of all we are going to take an Instagram post blank page. And after selecting this page, we are going to go to our element section and going to select the recently used part. So after selecting this recently used section, we have this yellow and orange gradient background. So we are going to select this one. And after selecting this, we are going to cover the whole page with it. Okay, after doing this, we are going to use this element, which is your orange slices on white background. And after selecting this, first of all, we are going to remove its background by BG remover. Okay, after removing its background, we are going to tilt it vertically in the page. Now increasing its size little bit, and then it's done. After this, we are going to use this element, which is your orange juice splash. And then after selecting this element, again we are going to remove its background. Also guys, whatever elements we are using, their names are flashing in your screen, so you can find them easily. Okay, after selecting this, we are going to put it below the sliced orange so that we get an illusion that the sliced orange is falling in the water. So after creating this, we are going to group both these elements together with each other. And now going to align it properly in the page. Okay guys, so it's done. After this, we are going to use this element, which is your orange juice splash. Actually, when we used to cut an orange, then the juicy splash used to come out from it. So we are going to create that illusion here. So after selecting this, again going to remove its background. And then after removing the background, we are going to place it behind the sliced orange in such a way that it is splashing out from the oranges. Also guys, while we are doing this, I want to tell you all that if our videos add values to your creations, then please do subscribe our channel, and also you can check out different videos in our Canva playlist. Guys, a video is splashing in your I button. So if you want to check out one more such video just like this, so please check out that video as well after watching this one. Okay guys, so now we have done this. So now we are just going to group all these elements together. Okay, so it's done. Okay, after this we are going to come out from the recently used section and going to go to the text section. And from here we are going to select an appropriate text for our project. Here we have so many text fonts. I am really confused which one should I select. But you can select anyone according to your preference. it is not mandatory to select the same. Okay, so I'm going to select this text, which is your spooky Halloween orange boo shadow text effect. Okay, so after selecting this, I'm going to remove this boo text by writing orange splash. Okay, so it's done guys. So now I'm just going to minimize its size and going to expand it so that it will come in one line. And after this, I'm going to align it properly at the top of the page. Okay, so it's done. As you can see, the color of the orange splash and the background is merging with each other. So we are going to change the color of this orange splash text. So I'm going to change it to white. And then after doing this, I'm just going to duplicate this text. Now as duplication is done, so the duplication part is going to be turned to the maroon color. And after this, I am going to apply some effect on it. So I am going to apply this hollow effect and then going to overlap the two texts with each other. Okay, I think guys we should reduce the thickness of hollow text. So I am just going to arrange it properly. Okay, I think 21 is good enough, so I'm just going to stick to it. Okay guys, now we are just going to reduce the size of it so that it will look more attractive. Okay, so what is its size? Its size is 125, so we are going to change the another text size also to 125. And then after doing this, we are just going to overlap these two. Okay guys, now I am just going to arrange these splashes and sliced orange little bit according to our page. Just moving it little bit to down. And now I am going to increase its size little bit and going to align it properly in the page. Okay guys, so it's done. So now we are just going to download it in PNG format. Okay, so it's downloaded. So here we have our final post. So guys, what do you think about our post? Please let us know in the comment section below. We would love to read them. Also, you can try this juicy orange effect as well. And if you try it, then please share a trial with us. Guys, if you got value here, then do subscribe our channel. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. So we will meet you now in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.